G'day, my name's Pete, and today I'm going to be working on this jade tree. This jade tree is the one that's 21 years old. I worked on this one I think 6 months ago, and it's really grown wild since then, which is great. That's what we want. I haven't fully decided, but I was liking this as the front, but I'm not overly fussed because this side's quite nice too. This side might even be better when this is rotted out. Okay, but as you can see, it's just heaps long and needs a haircut. Now, I think it's going all right. I'm going to trim it to here. And here. Make it spread out this way now. The same with that one. Trim that back there. We'll let them double out. This one here is growing back towards the tree, so really it isn't necessary. And that's probably the same, but we can trim that and have it grow out. It'll be alright. This one can keep growing outwards. This one here is no good. Get rid of that. And same with these ones here, they're no good, they're too low. So with these, growing basically along the trunk, no good. The upward growth, no worries about that, we want that. I think they can all keep growing. I just want to check that camera view again. It's okay. This one here I think is, I've left this one on purpose in case I wanted to get rid of this stump, but I don't think I'm going to get rid of this stump, so I think it can go, or we'll just shrink it. Like so. But this one can go, and that. Okay, so I'm not going to touch this one too much more than what I have, and we'll just let that go now. This one probably don't need longer. Trim that off. Okay, so that's all I'm doing with that. I do want to carve this out further, which we can give it a carve now. Don't know how I'm going to go with this being in view. This stuff here is all dead. It's already died off, rotting away. So I'm just taking it out. And I reckon that's about it there. So, yeah, I don't know if you can see that very well. I'll bring the camera in for a better look. Might want to get closer still. So as you can see, it's all been cleared out. Now I've got a nice little concave in it, like as if it's had a hard time, the weather's hit it and broken the main branch that was coming off here off, and now there's just that left with the damage that's there. But yeah, there we go. Okay, yep. So I'm gonna carve this all out at some stage later. There's a spider web here, so I reckon there's a spider living in there. And yeah, we're just going to do the same thing. We're going to keep the growth that's growing out, but we're going to have it grow up. I want this to be sitting high. And I reckon that high might be nice. Not 100% sure. It's all trial and error. We shall see how it looks. Okay, so I'm just going to carve this dense wood away. I'm sure there's a spider in there. It's got to be. Look at that web. I'm so sure about how I'm going to go with the filming that we're doing this. I just broke that. Just broke that off. The weight of it and the movement. Just snapped it. As it goes, a nice little branch. So it's just like it's gone now. Bring it back. think that's good enough. I'll give you a close up of that. Now that's all concave down. Also helps with the tapering of the tree, making the tree look like it's got a heap of taper to some extent. Anyway, there you go. That's that. Oh no. I don't know what this stuff got. So I don't know if I accidentally paused the video while I was digging that out, or whether I've got it captured. But anyway, I've now carved it out.